Deborah, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And I think I've got Neil here as well.
That's correct.
And the two of you are neighbours, yes?
Yes.
Everybody needs good neighbours. With a little understanding?
Definitely.
And then you can be perfect friends, correct?
Yes.
You get my reference, don't you, Neil?
Definitely.
No, I don't think so. But the point about it is this. The two of you live next door to each other. Deborah, at the beginning, you tried to be a good neighbour to Neil when he first moved in. And you have an adjacent wall. Now, at some point, your wall fell down, Neil.
That's correct.
And it took some of Deborah's wall down with it.
It did.
You tried to claim on your insurance for various reasons which are actually not germane or relevant to the case. You couldn't get relevant cover, so you built your wall back up. In addition to that, you had a go at building Deborah's wall as well. But Deborah, that first attempt at building the wall was sort of less a wall and more a sort of contemporary art installation. It wasn't very good, in other words.
An absolute disgrace.
Well, that's one way of putting it. In fact, that is the way you put it. And so, it didn't stop there. You didn't bring Neil to court. You asked him, in fact, to rebuild the wall. So Neil went away with his brother, who's a builder, correct?
Correct.
And he built a second wall. You say that wall is not good enough, it's rubbish, it needs to be torn down. And what's more, you've had it independently looked at. You've had a builder give you a quote for a new wall of around £825. And that's what you want me to give you today. £825 for a new wall. Neil, in reply, you say the wall that's been built is perfectly good enough and it's been prepared and built to a perfectly decent standard. Therefore, Deborah gets nothing, correct?
Correct.
Now,